Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and have you ever wondered how they unpack a hot air balloon and get it into the air? I watched it happen, so I wanted to show you a few of the steps. So first they're going to get the hot air balloon itself out of the trailer, and a lot of these trailers were really cool. They have a little hoist system that they can swing the basket out with because the basket's quite heavy. So then they'll lower that down using the little hoist that comes off of that pole. Next, they're going to build the sides to it, and this is going to support the fire portion that everybody loves to see. So once they have that ready, they'll put this in place and then connect all of the fuel lines for it. And everybody's favorite part, of course, next they'll put the basket on its side, and then they'll begin to open up the hot air balloon itself. So they're going to take the cords and the cables that are going to attach to the basket and hook them up with the carabiners. And of course, I need to make sure they get the right ones to each corner so that it's properly set up when it starts to inflate. Next comes in the giant fan, and this is going to be used to help get the hot air balloon started to inflate. And they were even using this to help unroll it out of the other bigger bag that it's packed into. So that was kind of a genius way of doing that, so you don't have to unroll the whole thing first. They'll do this and get the balloon mostly inflated onto its side. And once they have the opening big enough and inflated enough where the fire won't burn the hot air balloon itself, they'll start inserting the heat this way. And as we know, heat rises. So as they do this carefully, holding the sides open to make sure that it doesn't burn the hot air balloon itself, the hot air balloon will start to rise up. And soon it gets to that point where there's just enough that it lifts off and goes almost straight up. So you have to be careful at that point. And everybody has to work as a team. So they did a really good job on this one. Everybody knew what they were supposed to be doing. And it was a nice, safe inflating of the hot air balloon. At this point, they also have to make sure that they have cables tied to the truck or staked down to make sure that it doesn't blow away. It was a very calm night. There wasn't a lot of wind. But anyway, that's how you get a hot air balloon up and running. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.